Welcome to Electrotechnomy, inspired by electronics, science, robotics, and physical computing. Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss 7 very important things to do after installing your Raspberry Pi. As some of you might already know, some features of the rasbian, which is the full desktop version operating system for the Raspberry Pi, are disabled by default. It is very important to turn on those features if you want your Raspberry Pi to perform to its maximum capacity. Step number 1, change the default password to your own password for maximum security. To change your password, click the Pi logo, go down to Preferences, and then go down to Raspberry Pi configuration. Click it, and when you get to the drop down menu, click Change Password. Enter your password, confirm it, and click OK. Make sure you save your password because you will need it to log in from now on if you do decide to change it. It's always a good idea to change it for better security. Number 2, set up your location to get the best performance from your Pi's Wi-Fi. To change your location, click the Pi logo. Again, click Preferences, go down to Raspberry Pi configuration, click it. When you get to the drop down menu, go to Localization, click it, go down to Set Wi-Fi Country, and pick your country from the menu. Okay? That's how you set up your country to get the best Wi-Fi performance. Step number 3, enable the Pi's camera. If you are like most Raspberry Pi's owner, you will want to use your Pi to its full potential. Therefore, it's a good idea to enable the camera because the camera will come very handy in some projects. To enable the camera, click the Pi's logo, click Preferences, go down to Raspberry Pi's configuration, click it. From in the drop down menu, click the Interfaces tab. Go to look for the camera and click the Enable tab. Remember, the camera is disabled by default, so it's very important to enable it. If you don't, it will be disabled. Click Enable, click OK, and your camera is on and ready to go. Step number 4, enable SSH. SSH is also known as Secure Shell. SSH is a cryptographic network protocol. Its job is to open up a secure channel to protect your data every time you are connected to your Pi from another computer on your network. To enable SSH, click the Pi logo, go down to Preferences, go down to Raspberry Pi configuration, click it. Again, click the Interfaces tab, look for SSH, click Enable, and click OK. Step number 5, enable VNC. VNC is also known as virtual network computing. It's a graphical desktop sharing system that allows you to log in to your Raspberry Pi or any other computer you have on your network to another computer on your network. To enable VNC, click your Pi logo, go down to Preferences, then go down to Raspberry Pi Configuration, click it, click the Interfaces tab, and look for VNC and click Enable. Okay, and you're ready to go. Step number 6, enable the SPI. The SPI is short for Serial Peripheral Interface. The SPI is a serial communication channel on the computer's motherboard. It controls the flow of data across the computer's motherboard. To enable the SPI, click the Pi logo, go down to Preferences, then go down to the Raspberry Pi configuration, click it, go to the drop down menu, click the Interfaces tab, look for SPI, click the Enable tab, click OK. Step number 7, enable I2C. I2C is a communication protocol that dictates how the circuits on a computer board share data to each other. To enable I2C, click the Pi logo, go down to Preferences, click the Raspberry Pi configuration, click it, go to the drop down menu, click the Interfaces tab, look for I2C. I know you might think it's I2C, but it's pronounced I2C. Click the Enable tab, click OK, and my friend, you're ready to conquer the world with your Raspberry Pi. Before we leave, here's our quote for today. The future has many names. For the weak, it's unattainable. For the fearful, it's unknown. For the bold, it's ideal. Victor Hugo. Health, peace, wealth, and happiness to you and yours. May all your life's plans go without a hitch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos are coming. Take care.